Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this red plain, or you can make it any color you want. So this can be used as an ornament, which that's why I have that, or it can just be used as a display. I particularly made it as an ornament because I thought it would be cool. So let's get started. The pieces you will be needing are three 2x2s that are raised, one 2x3 that is raised. You can either have this piece or this piece for the tail of, so this is a 2x4. This is a 2x4, but it's raised a little bit. This is the bottom. And this is for the tail. You're going to need two of these, except they're in the opposite direction. You're going to need one 2x6. This is for the ornament part, so it's optional. You're going to need two 2x3s that are flat. One 2x1 flat with a little dot thing on top. In the clear triangular piece. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 2x6 right here, and you're going to put a 2x2 raised onto it on the end. Then you're going to put your 2x3 on right next to it. So then there's one little tip at the end. Now you're going to take another 2x1 raise and you're going to put it on so that it's a little over, because you're going to need that for the tail. And then you are going to put the last 2x2 raise on. Then you're going to put on your optional piece, either this one or this one, and you're just gonna, whichever one you have, you still place it on the same, like that, or this. I'm gonna stick to this one. Then the next part is going to be adding one 3x2 flat and putting it on so that there's one part connecting. Then the next part is to add this, because you need room to put that on. And you just take your flat 2x1 with a dot in the middle and put it on top. Now, the next part you can do is put the two wings on. Make sure that the part that's slanted is facing this one, the clear piece, and then put the other one on. Then you're just going to take the last one like this, and there you go. And at the end, if you want to make it an ornament like this, like it's reattached to the wings. And there you have your flame. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that you never miss another video. Bye!